Video. I'm down to my last three, and these are all the three that I'm hoping to use on a regular basis. This one is an Eskimo 121050. Doesn't look like it wants to focus on that there. Yeah, forget it. This is a 12-inch fan. Does not have a handle on it. That's not that big of a deal to fix. Cords out a little bit, but it doesn't look that bad. Got a zip tie on it. Doesn't look frayed. Condition doesn't look too bad on it. And spinning the blade actually spins not too bad. So I have it plugged in. Let's turn it on and see what it does. The description said this has a slight rattle to it, so we'll see what that means. Oh, that just means it needs oil. That'll be an easy fix. Getting used to that by now. Alright, I actually ended up getting pretty lucky with this one. This was really nothing more than just needing oiled. And despite the blade being on there really well and not wanting to come off, it did eventually play nice and is running a lot better. This is one of the ones that doesn't have screw holes down on the bottom. The bottom of the grate slides in and then it comes up to the top and you screw it down for the just two screws to hold it in as it's clipped at the bottom. Alright, let's see how it sounds when it's not screaming. It moves a decent amount of air. It's got the stuff on the other side of the workbench blowing pretty good. Moves a decent amount of air. Still has a little bit of a rattle to it. Still has a little bit of a brushing sound with it, but running much better than it was. And spin down time on it is really good too. So, one that I'm not too concerned about. It is a 3-speed. All 3 speeds work. And a handle will not be hard to find.